everyone. Today we're going to do a speed sound session using set 3 sounds. They're sounds that you've already started, but it's been such a long time since we saw you, we thought it'd be a good idea to just review them again. So we're going to start at the beginning. Okay. E. 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 T. T. E. K. U. E. N. What do we have here? Here we have a girl who's made a lovely cup of tea. When we see this side, we say E cup of tea. E cup of tea. And here we have E. When we see this side, we say E. E. Let's see if we can see this sound on our speed chart. Here we go. Here's today's E. E cup of tea. As you can see, it's the same as the E that you've already learnt. E, what can you see? But this is today's. Same sound, different appearance. E cup of tea. Great. So we're going to start off reviewing some sounds that you already know, along with the sound we're doing today. E cup of tea. I'm going to hide it in the pack. Are you ready? I'm going to go through the sounds. You're going to call out the sounds as you see the card. But when you see today's sound, you're going to point at it and say it at the same time. Are you ready? Let's get started. Did you see it? Good job. One more time. Let's put it back in there. Okay. Are you ready? Let's get started. Good job. Well done. Okay. Now we're going to read some words, green words, with the E sound that we've been doing today. Are you ready? Just to remind you, spot the special friends, Fred talk, say the word. I'll do the first one for you just to remind you. Here we go. E, D, E, dream. Do you want to have a try? Okay. Excellent. Great reading, guys. So now we're going to do some more reading green words, but these are sounds that you already know. These are sounds that you would have already learnt in set 2. Okay, are you ready? Same thing. We're going to spot the special friends, Fred talk, read the word. Okay, let's start. That was very good, well done. Okay, now we're going to do the same words again, but this time I want you to do special friends, Fred talk, all in your head, and then read the word when I push it forward. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. Excellent. Okay, we're going to do these words again. This time, no thread in your head. I think you can read them like super speedy. Let's go. Are you okay? Are you ready? Go. That was excellent. Well done. Okay, I'm going to do my favourite bit next. Alien words. Okay, same thing again. Tell me the special friends. Fred talk, say the word. Okay, are you ready? Let's get started. Excellent. What a load of nonsense. Well done reading those alien words, everybody. Okay, so now we're going to do some spelling. We're going to start off with a few words that have the E sound that we've been doing today. E, cup of tea. Okay, are you ready? Seat. Seat. Eat. Seat. Okay. Let's count those sounds on our fingers. Have you got your Fred fingers ready? Okay, let's do it. Okay, show me those Fred fingers. How many sounds does it have? Excellent. Let's pinch those sounds together. S, eat, seat. Try writing the word for me now. Okay. Don't forget to underline your special friends. All right then. Call out the sounds for me, or the letters, so that I can write it on the board. What's the first letter? Special friends? Let's tick or fix. S. E-A. T. Well done. Let's try the next one. Scream. Scream. Let's get your Fred fingers ready. Pinch the sounds on your fingers. Okay, show me those Fred fingers. Excellent. Let's pinch those sounds together, shall we? S, k, r, e, m. Scream. Write it for me. Excellent. How about you call out those sounds for me, or letters, so that I can write it on the board. First one. Well done. Did you underline your special friends? Excellent. Okay, let's tick or fix. S, C, R, E, A, M. Scream. Good job. Let's try one more. Real. Real. Okay. Let's get your Fred fingers ready. Pinch those sounds for me. Excellent. Show me your Fred fingers. Let's do it together. R, E, all. Real. Write it for me. Excellent. How about you call out those letters for me so I can write it on the board? Excellent. Did you underline your special friends? Excellent. Okay, let's tick off X. R-E-A-L. Real. Okay, I'm going to do 2 more words, but these are words using sounds that you would have learnt in set 2, just to keep your brains going. Are you ready? Chair. 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 Spread fingers. Count the sounds on your fingers. Show me. Okay, let's do it together. Ch. Air. 2 sounds, well done. Let's write it on the board. C-H-A-I-R. How many special friends do we have in this one? Well done. We have 2 special friends. Ch, air, tick or fix. Good job. Okay, last one for today. Star. Star. Spread fingers. Show me. Excellent. 3 sounds. Let's do it together. S, t, r. Excellent. Write it. Good job. You want to call out the letter names for me so I can write it on my board? And we can tick or fix. Excellent. First one. S. Did you underline your special friends? Of course. R are the special friends. S-T-A-R. Star. Good job, everyone. That's it for today. Until next time, stay safe, keep smiling, because you're all superstars. See you later.